Hello everyone, welcome back again to another one of my awesome videos. I am surprised I'm doing this. This is the third day in a row that we're working on things. I may not put this video out till a couple of days later because I got some stuff I got to do, but if I do put it out sooner, awesome. You won't ever see this, I'll edit it out. But we are going to be tackling the rear subframe. I got my axles pulled out, I got everything offset to the side. Got the diff set off, so hopefully I'm gonna pull off the rear bumper, get started on the subframe, and hopefully from there we'll just start kind of dominoing, getting things installed. Fuel tank, put the fuel tank in, put the diff in, start bolting everything up, and then just make sure maybe we can start priming it today. It'd be amazing. It's gonna be really hard to not start it because we're gonna be missing the exhaust cam position sensor plug. One of the guys here at the shop are going to see if they have the plug, and we're going to try to wire it. The problem is I don't think I have enough of the wire length to actually get it going. But all right, let's go ahead and get into it. We'll get started, get this thing going. So thank you guys for watching. Later, buddy. So the GoPro died, but we got the fuel tank in. It's all buttoned up. I got all the connectors done, lines are ran. I got the fuel neck in there. You guys can see this is the rust we're gonna have to be redoing. We're gonna be replacing the whole rails eventually. But like I said, the main goal right now is to get this bad boy running, moving, get it out of this shop, get it to the shop where I can put it on a lift, and we'll go from there.
so misery, it's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain.
All right, guys, so we got a lot of stuff done today. Rear diff axles are in, mustache bar completely redone so that we now have the bushings in it. So everything's all cinched up in the back now. We got the fuel tank in finally. So I went ahead and stuck everything back together. It is completely back, the rear end, everything's together. It's been exhausting long last 3 days working on this car. So with that being said, went ahead and put radiator back in, put the lines on it. Everything is cinched up. We're gonna order the pigtail for this and then get the immobilizer done on it and probably set up to do the small battery in the corner. We already have the battery off on the side, just gotta pay for it. And fuel, replace the sensor that's on the back because I noticed that, I guess, whenever we were putting stuff in, it got knocked off. Put the transfer case on, bolt everything up. Hell, we could probably fire it without putting the transfer case in. I know a lot of the other guys will do it. They'll run it without doing it. So we may just go with that route, at least get it started, get it running. I do still got a tweak on the brakes. The brakes are still not working all the way, even though we've bled them twice. But it's been an exhausting 3 days. I'm done. That's it. Probably gonna take like another week or so before we get back into it, but I'm gonna order a couple more things and we'll get everything installed. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.